Good morning, students. Yesterday, Geography, Unit 5, India population, transport, communication and trade lesson. Yesterday I took India population. The continuation of the population. Listen here carefully, students. Urbanization. The process of society's transformations from rural to urban areas known as urbanization. The process of transformation from rural to urban areas known as urbanization. Urbanization in India. In India, more and more urban areas is there. So Goa is the most densest urbanized state in our country. Himachal Pradesh is the least urbanized area, urbanized state in our country. Union territories like Delhi is most urbanized area, followed by Chandigarh also having more and more urban areas. Tamil Nadu is the second most urbanized state in our country. Impact of urbanization. In our country, more and more urban areas is there. So, the rural people migrate to urban areas. Why? Because of the rural areas not having any facilities. So, migrate one place to another. Particularly, the rural people migrate urban areas. The metropolitan cities. Students, what do you know about the metropolitan? Chief cities. In India, chief cities like Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. These are the metropolitan cities in our country. So metropolitan cities having more and more population. In these Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata, the urbanized area, urbanized state. So, urbanization, more and more population, more and more people were living in these areas noted. Major problem of urbanization in India. In India, there are a lot of problems were faced by the people because of urbanization. It creates the urban sprawl. The people were spread in that urban areas. More and more people were spread in that urban areas. It creates the problem. Second one, it creates the overcrowding. Overcrowding leads to the problem of urbanization. In the major cities, more and more people were living and overcrowding in one area. Particularly the fertile areas, where the more and more facilities is there now. In that area, overcrowding by the people. So, the problem were faced in urbanization by the people. It leads to the shortage of houses. The rural people migrate to urban areas now. So, the houses were shortage in urban areas. the shortage of houses, more and more people were living in slums. Slum means kudisai. Because of more and more population, they are not having their own houses. So that's why they live in a slum area. It creates the traffic congestion. More and more vehicles goes one place to another. So traffic congestion is there. People unable to go one place to another easily because of traffic. It increases in the urban areas, increases the water scarcity. Tannir Patrakurai. More and more population unable to get more and more water. The water scarcity were arose in urban areas. The problem were faced by the urbanized people. In the urban areas leads to the drainage problem. The drainages were not able to connect one place to another. It leads to diseases to the people. And also solid waste materials. More and more waste materials were dumped in one area, particularly in the urban areas. The garbages were accumulated in one places. So it creates the diseases to all the people. The problem were faced in urban areas. In the urban areas, increases the crime. The people involved in crime. Transportation. In this lesson, we are going to see the transportation, different type of transport modes. The roadways, railways, airways and waterways. The transportation carry the passengers and goods and services one place to another. So early man used their own food to go one place to another. Then the early man used animals for transportation. With the help of animals, early people go one place to another. The invention or the discovery of wheel, when the discovery of wheel, discovered the wheel, the transport were developed. Initially bullock cart, the wheels were used to go one place to another. Then gradually developed the transport. Nowadays more and more vehicles came forward and more people were used these transport facilities. The transportation were divided into three kinds. Classified into three kinds. One is the roadways, railways and pipelines. Secondly, these are land transport. Secondly, waterways, inland waterways and ocean routes or seaways. Third one, airways. Airways were divided into two. One is the internal airways. Secondly, international airways. Roadways. The roadways transport were used, and the transport carry the goods and passengers one place to another through the roadways. The roads were cheap to construct in our country. Cheap means of transport were used, and construct the roads were very cheap. And the transport, roadways transport, where goes to one place to another, it goes to farms, particularly the farms, fields, factories and markets. Transport goes one place to another. These important places goes to one place. And then door to door steps. Also that transport facilities is there nowadays. The roadways is one of the universal mode of transport worldwide. The road facilities is there nowadays. The roadways is one of the cost efficient one. Easily laid the roads in all the areas. It is cheap to construct. In India, northern plains, more and more densest roadways is there. Because of it, these areas are one of the fertile area. The more and more people were living in northern plains. So more and more transport facilities is there in the northern plains. So in the northern plains, easily to construct the roads. Particularly in the northern plains, more and more road facilities. Cheapest means of transport to roadways to construct. In India, too difficult to lay the roads in mountainous areas and terrain areas also. Not able to lay the roads in these mountainous area and terrain area. In India, Kerala is the densest road facilities. Is that, and the lowest density is in our country, particularly in Jammu and Kashmir. Is the lowest means of densest roadways in Jammu and Kashmir. Roadways classified into NH road, state highways, district roads, border roads, international highways. These are all classified into roadways. Students, listen here. I am going to recall urbanization. Urbanization is the process of society's transformation from rural to urban areas, known as urbanization. Urbanization in India, the Goa is the most densest urbanization in our country, and Himachal Pradesh is the least urbanization in the country. Himachal Pradesh is the least urbanized state in our country, and union territories like Delhi is the densest urbanization, and Chandigarh is the followed by after Delhi, followed by Chandigarh also the densest urbanization area. Then Tamil Nadu is the second most urbanized state. Impact of urbanization: the more and more rural area people migrate urban areas because of urban areas having more and more facilities, rural areas not having all the facilities. That's why the rural people migrate urban areas. In India, there are a lot of metropolitan cities is there, particularly Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. These are all known as metropolitan cities, chief city, chief city. So more and more population, people were living in these areas. Major problem of urbanization in India. In India, the urbanized areas face a lot of problems. First one, it creates the urban sprawl, the spread the people in the urban areas. It creates the problem, overcrowding. Secondly, the urbanized area, in particularly the where the facilities is there now, in that area, they accumulated the people. So overcrowding leads to the problem in urbanization. It creates the shortage of houses. The urban area, more and more population not having their own houses, they live in slum areas. Urban areas creates the traffic congestion. More and more vehicles goes one place to another. The traffic congestion is there. People are unable to go one place to another easily because of population. Water scarcity. It increases the water scarcity in the urban areas because of more and more population not able to get water. More and more water. Then drainage problem. In the urban areas, lot of leads to the drainage problem. Drainages are not able to connect one place to another. It creates more and more diseases to all the people. In the urban areas, the solid waste were dumped in one places, accumulated in one places. It not able to dispose one place to another. Because of population, they dumped in nearby the houses. Environment degradation were arose in that areas, urban areas. And solid waste creates more and more problem in the urban areas. In the urban areas, it increases the crimes. Lot of crimes were occurred in the urban areas. Transportation. With the help of transportation, the transportation carried passengers and goods and services one place to another. Early man walked their own food. Then early man used the animals for transportation. Then when they discovered wheel, the transportation were developed, gradually developed. Nowadays, lot of development in the transportation. Lot of vehicles came. The transportation divided into three kinds. One is the roadways, railways and pipe lines. Secondly, waterways, inland waterways and ocean routes, seaways like that. Third one, airways, domestic airways or internal airways and international airways. Roadways. The roadways, more and more transport facilities is there. The transport carry goods and passengers one place to another. That roadways is the cheap means of transport and cheaply construct the roads. The transport connect to the farms, fields, factories and markets. The roadways is one of the universal mode of transport. Roadways one of the cost efficient also. Easily lay the roads one place to another. In India, northern plains having lot of facilities, roadways facilities, and it is one of the fertile area, so easy to construct. In the northern plains, easy to construct the roads, and mountain areas not able to lay the roads because of it is difficult to lay the roads in mountainous area and terrain area also. Kerala is the densest road facilities in our country. and lowest roadway facilities is in Jammu and Kashmir. Lowest density of roadways is in Jammu and Kashmir. Roadways classified into NH road, state highways and district roads, border roads and international highways. Okay then, see you tomorrow students.